Welcome back. We've just changed spots. We're at YORKEYS Knob Yacht Club, just off the rocks here. Been some birds about 100 metres out. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. Oh, we've got some dolphins out there. They're chasing some type of fish. Needs to come closer to where I am. Anyway, another glorious day. The winter in Cairns. Got the shirt off. It's probably only 8 o'clock. It's already 20 plus degrees. Beautiful. Yeah, there is some dolphins out there. I'll see if I can zoom in for you. Just after those two markers, there you go. You would have seen that for sure. Sure to be sure. Anyway, welcome back. I'm going to try and see if we can catch some type of rockfish off here today. We'll let you know how we go. Apart from that, enjoy your day. Like and subscribe.